Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Apps Every Day, and today we're talking about AfterPay. So hopping into the app here, you can see that what it looks like is a bunch of different shopping stores. And basically what AfterPay does is partners with different retailers to give you 4 interest-free payments. It's really, really cool. And you basically can go into any of these different retailers. So say I want to go to Carhartt, go to shop now. Maybe I like this jacket. And again, you can see that this jacket ranges from 130 to 150 bucks. Maybe I can't or don't want to drop that much money on this jacket right now. Well, you can see right below that, or 4 interest-free payments as low as $32.50 by AfterPay. And so it's going to break it down into 4 payments. So this isn't like a loan. It's not like depending on how much blah, blah, blah. It's literally 4 interest-free payments all the time, no matter the product, no matter the cost, obviously within their own network of stores. And what's nice about the app is you can, once you buy something with AfterPay, you can track everything in here, and they're really transparent. And so it should make you feel pretty comfortable that you're using a service that is legit and, again, transparent, and you're not going to log into some really crappy payment website and all of a sudden see all these extra interest fees and things like that. But if I had bought anything using this app, you would see the total you owe, and then you would see the payments for however far out. Now, you can actually set up a card. This is relatively new, I believe. But there are some now in-store purchasing options that you can. And so all I did was put in some basic information and it pre-approved me for $600. I honestly have no idea how it calculated that. Maybe that's the same for everyone. Maybe yours will be more, less, I'm not sure. But you can also calculate payments. So I can see here again, if something was $100, you can see the exact dates in which you would owe those if I were to buy something right today. Now you can also activate the card. You can add it to your Apple Wallet, so you can use it just by tapping your phone or watch. And then of course you have your profile. You can kind of see how this whole thing works. Again, you just shop, you choose AfterPay at checkout rather than using a normal payment method, and now you pay over time. It's pretty simple. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, want to learn more, or recommend other apps to me, definitely leave those in the comments down below. And don't forget to get subscribed and come back tomorrow for another Apps Every Day.